Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe. So, do you want to know where your child is with reading without a long test or expensive specialist? Wow. Go no further or look no further. Here is a quick, practical, and low stress way to get a reliable snapshot in about 5 minutes or less. So come with me. Word per minute or WPM is how many words your child can read correctly in a minute. And why is this important? It shows reading fluency, that is speed, accuracy, and understanding, and it can determine reading age, and it helps to match readers to the right book level. To calculate your WPM is really quick. So it is the total words read minus mistakes. So let's say you choose a passage with 100 to 200 words, you set a timer, and the child read aloud at a natural pace, and you just count how many words they read correctly, and that's it. Look at an example of I was that I used with my daughter. So I gave her a length of passage that was 130 words. She had 1 minute to read at her normal level. She made 5 mistakes. So here is what the level, how you work the level out. So it's WPM equal that 130 minus 5 equal 125, and that 125 word per minute average for a grade 3 to 4 level, that's age to 10. So how would you interpret it? Students read smoothly but can improve comprehension and expression. So I will just encourage her to reread passages so that the words can be familiar. So this is how you actually ascertain their reading age. And you may ask, where can you get the different levels? Different countries have different levels. So I've added two different levels. One 2017 because it's one that I've used because it's more relevant, but you have so many that you can use, and it's right on this slide. Have the slide. So if you look here, I have the different levels, and this is based on Tinsdale and Friend. And so what I've done, I've put it here for you to glance through at the levels. Start here for you to take a glance at it to see what the levels are if you'd like to use this one, and please feel free to use your own ones that you have looked up based on your country or what curriculum you're using. So go ahead. So this is here that you can use to interpret your child's reading age. So tips to improve your word per minute or your reading. So please encourage your child to start with 10 minutes per day. As they begin and get comfortable, just let them read 15, then 20, then soon after you don't have to encourage them. And then practice short stories or news article. Please start with the time should be short and the content should also be short. Focus on accuracy first, then speed. Speed is not important while they are decoding and learning how to enunciate and pronounce their words. Retell what you have read. Just ask them about the main idea. Remember, when fluency grows with practice, so encourage them to read and reread their work. I've also added another word per minute chart so that you can test the level. And thank you so much. And remember, if you found this useful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for being here.